Why did you accept Islam?
Why do I accept Islam? After knowing Islam, why should not I accept Islam? Islam is the truth. It's a way of life. It's divine. It's practical. It's logic. It's rational. Islam is the answer to whatever problem that we need to live in this world. And Islam is for you here and for you in your hereafter. Anyone who learn about Islam and understand Islam, I don't think they will not accept Islam. They are sure to accept Islam because our nature is that we love what is right. We love what is good. And we can't appreciate Islam today so easily because the Muslims don't show good example and the media is very unjust to the Muslim. وَمَكَرُوا وَمَكَرَ اللَّهُ وَاللَّهُ خَيْرُ الْمَاكِرِينَ. The more they talk bad about Islam, the more people are exposed to the beauty of Islam. We have a lot of brothers say, thanks to Mr. Bush of America, we came to love and understand Islam through him. Because they attack Islam and people want to know more about this religion and they found out the truth of Islam by themselves. May Allah bless us. May Allah guide us. That's why I accept Islam.